Hi everyone, Fatma here from Addictive Tips, and I'm going to show you how you can install a regionally restricted app from the Microsoft Store on Windows 10. So this is the app that we're going to be installing. Make sure that you have the app page open in your browser and then minimize the browser window. Open the Settings app and go to Time and Language and then select the Region tab. Open the Country or Region dropdown and then select the country that the app is available in. Next, you want to go to the Date and Time tab, and here you have to turn the Set Time Automatically switch to off. And there's another switch called Set Time Zone Automatically. Go ahead and turn that off as well. Return to the browser window and then click this Get button. You're going to see this prompt asking you to open the Microsoft Store. Go ahead and do that. And on the Microsoft Store, click Get and then click Install. Once the app's been installed, you can change your region and time settings back to what they were before. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later with more tech tips.